Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Charles Schwab account. First, decide which account best suits your needs, like a brokerage account for investing or an IRA for retirement savings. Next, prepare your personal details, including your social security number, employment information, and bank account details for funding. Finally, navigate to the Charles Schwab website and begin the online application process, ensuring all information is entered correctly. This initial setup is straightforward. After starting your application, you'll select the specific account type. Charles Schwab offers individual brokerage accounts, joint accounts, and various retirement options like Roth or traditional IRAs. Think about your investment objectives, whether you're saving for a long-term goal or active trading. Also, check for any minimum deposit requirements, though many accounts have no minimum to open. This step ensures your account aligns with your financial strategy. Once your account type is chosen, the next crucial step is funding it. You can easily link your existing bank account for electronic transfers, making deposits and withdrawals simple. Other funding options include mailing a check or initiating a wire transfer. Charles Schwab may also require identity verification, so be prepared to upload documents like a driver's license or passport. This ensures the security of your new investment account. With your account funded and verified, you're almost ready to start investing. Set up your online login credentials and take some time to explore the Charles Schwab platform. Familiarize yourself with the tools, research options, and trading features available to you. Then, you can begin selecting investments that match your financial goals. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.